Hi, I'm Tim Johnson with Shop Tour Reviews. We're here at the Gearwrench booth at SEMA Show 2019. Now what we're looking at is their new 90-tooth ratchets. And they've got a full gamut of these from the chrome handles to the actual new cushion grip handles here. So you can see the new logoed cushion grip handles, and they kind of took the idea from a baseball bat where you have kind of the larger end here so your hand's not slipping off there, especially if you got that greasy hand. Got a nice cushion grip feel here, place for your index finger there, so you got a nice grip on this. We have this in everything from a flex head to the standard head, and you get that thin profile with that pear shape as well. Now, even though they went up to a 90 tooth, up from an 84, they still increased the strength in their design. So you're not losing any strength, even though they stepped up 6 positions actually on the ratchet itself. Now, these are available in January. 13 different models here that you can choose from. Also going to have 6 different sets as well. Make sure you check them out at gearwrench.com. Also keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day.